Alright, so I'm going to take my backpack off and get this camera here down. Alright, so I got the thermal camera right there facing that way. So it's facing up in there. So I think I'm going to turn the camcorder out here towards the swamp. I'll let it film out here in the swamp while I'm taking this game camera down. So let's see if this one's still filming. So Tuesday, February 18th, 5:37 p.m. So I came out here after work. Batteries are still good, and it's still showing. It's not showing full memory card. Alright, so I'm turned on. I'll take it down. This one got gray tape on it, so I got to find my key with the gray tape. So I just use these cable locks now to hold it up on the trees. I don't use my straps. The straps make it easy to see. When you got the strap around the tree, so it kind of stands out. So this game camera right here, I've been getting what looks like could be some type of moisture inside it, causing some kind of lens flare on the night part of it, night vision. So I'm just wondering about setting this camera aside now. I'm retiring it. Still doing pretty good daytime. So I'm going to collect everything up here and head back out. Go home and get something to eat. Because I came straight out here from work. Be ready to go home and get something to eat pretty soon here. Alright, so I'm going to pick up the camcorder.